Hello, P3. Today's science, we're going to learn about transporting water. Okay, we have the roots and the stem. Okay, let's take a look at this. Helen has a plant that looks unhealthy. Look at the roots. This one, see, the pot is too small for the roots. See, because the pot is too small, the roots are getting like this. So the roots are really close together and cannot absorb the water well. So we need to put it into a bigger pot. So it will allow the roots to spread out. Okay. Now look at this. Yeah. From here we can see the flower and the arrows in here. So first the roots absorb the water from the soil. See, it's here, from here, from here. Okay. And then the roots transport the water to the stem over here. Okay. And the stem transport the water to the leaves and flowers. Okay. The stem transport the water to the leaves and flowers. See, goes to the leaves, goes to the leaves, and then goes to the flowers. Okay, that's how the stem and the roots transport the water. First, the roots absorb the water from the soil, the roots transport water to the stem, and then the stem transport the water to the leaves and the flowers. Okay. Okay, now let's take a look at another video. Look at this.
Light, air, and nutrients in order to live, such as water, light, air, and nutrients.
One
other thing that they need is space. I don't mean the kind of things in order to live,
Water
such as
needs
water,
few things.
light,
Water,
air,
light,
and nutrients.
air, and nutrients.
One other thing that they need is space.
Space.
I don't mean the kind of space as
Not
in outer space, where all the planets and aliens are, but the kind of space that gives them room to grow.
Okay, they need a space to grow.
The leaves can get bigger. The more leaves a plant has, the more sunlight a plant can absorb. This is important because plants use sunlight to complete photosynthesis, which is how plants make their own food. If a plant can't make enough food for itself, then it'll starve and likely end up dying.
If they don't make the food,
it
will die. Okay.
Plants also need plenty of space below them so that the roots can spread out.
Oh, so they need more space below them so the roots can spread out. Yeah, can go to different places.
Plants use their roots to take in water and nutrients. And if the roots...
Now, see, if it's only little, the space, they cannot absorb the water well or nutrients. So they need a bigger space.
They won't get enough of these essential substances.
See, if it's too small,
a plant that doesn't have enough space for its roots to...
Now, this is the example of the roots that do not have enough space.
Grow can become root bound, which is when its roots get all tangled up in a knot and it basically strangles itself. In order to show why space is so important for plants,
now let's take a look at the experiment.
There are two groups of lettuce.
She has done.
Both groups of lettuce were given light and the same type of water, and both were first planted in the same type of cell tray. However, after a few weeks, one group of lettuce was replanted into an aquaponic system, where the main difference was that they had a lot more room above and below them to grow.
Okay.
Look at the huge difference after just a few weeks.
Now this one, group one,
with more space
like
are
this,
much healthier and much bigger.
Healthier and bigger, right?
What all this means to you is that if you have a plant in a container that's getting too big for the container that it's in, you should repot it so that it has more space to grow. Your plant will thank you.
Yeah, okay. So if the plant is too small, the space is too small for the plant to grow, you need to put a bigger pot. Okay? The plant will thank you. Okay? This. Okay? After you watch this, you can go to your life worksheet. Okay? You can go to your life worksheet. And you can go to your life worksheet, your account. Use your username and account. Just a minute. Choose English, primary 3 English. Just a minute, still loading. Okay. Okay, let's take a look. Primary 3 English. Oh, science, I mean. And then choose the recent page. This one. You can click, and then plants transporting water. How do plants get water to their leaves? Read and drag and drop. Drag and drop. Okay. So the first one, do you remember from your book? Water, the roots absorb the water from the soil. Where do you put this? Okay, and then the stem transport the water to the leaves and flowers. The roots transport water to the stem. So which one is first? Second or third? Okay. Don't forget to click finish when you are done. Okay. That's it for today. See you again next time. Bye-bye.